AI savior or destroyer? Will artificial intelligence save the world or will it conquer it? This question sparks debate. Some picture a future where AI solves our biggest problems. Others fear a dystopian future ruled by machines. The truth, as with most things, likely lies somewhere in between. The future of AI is unwritten. It holds immense potential for good and potential for harm. Understanding AI, its capabilities, and its limitations is crucial. We must engage in thoughtful discussion about its ethical implications. Our choices today will shape the future of AI and ultimately our own destiny. Artificial intelligence, at its core, involves creating machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. AI systems are powered by algorithms, complex mathematical instructions, and vast amounts of data. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is already changing our lives. In healthcare, AI helps diagnose diseases and develop new treatments. In agriculture, AI optimizes crop yields and reduces waste. These advancements offer a glimpse into the transformative power of AI. AI has the potential to solve some of humanity's most pressing challenges. Imagine a world without disease, poverty, or hunger. AI could help us achieve these goals by accelerating scientific discovery, improving resource management, and automating labor-intensive tasks. Moreover, AI can enhance our creativity and productivity. It can personalize education, provide tailored recommendations, and connect us with information and resources like never before. By automating mundane tasks, AI can free up human potential for more meaningful and fulfilling pursuits. Section 4. The dark side of AI: valid concerns. Despite its promise, AI is not without its risks. One major concern is the potential for job displacement. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they could automate many jobs currently performed by humans, leading to widespread unemployment and economic inequality. Another concern is the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes. AI-powered surveillance systems could erode privacy and civil liberties. Autonomous weapons systems, if they fall into the wrong hands, could have devastating consequences. These are serious risks that we must address proactively. Section 5. Navigating the future of AI: a balanced perspective. The future of AI depends on the choices we make today. It is crucial to develop AI responsibly and ethically, ensuring it aligns with human values and benefits all of humanity. This requires collaboration between governments, industry leaders, researchers, and the public. We must establish clear ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment. We need to invest in education and retraining programs to prepare the workforce for the changing job market. And we must engage in open and honest dialogue about the potential benefits and risks of AI. The future of AI is in our hands. Let's shape it wisely.